The fourth, Martin Javier with the defense minister, Coach Jerry Codinera, taking you through this conference. We begin the final chapter of this matchup between Benilde and San Beda. Quarter scoring, you see here two big quarters from the Red Lions. They've outscored Benilde 51-31, Coach, since the first quarter.
Oh, grabe yun. Laking pondo dyan, ha? Yung ganyang margin.
Yeah.
So, you have to take that opportunity.
12 seconds on the shot.
Mahirap tumating yan sa yung mga ganyang margin sa isang laro.
And they're looking like a well-oiled machine. Itong San Beda Red Lions.
Yan ang yan ang sign of a team na solid ang structure. Solid program. Talagang they don't hindi sila umaalis sa sistema.
What a move coming from Jimmy Reyes. Behind the back and then the step back from 15 feet out.
Saka lahat ng gwardiya rito sa Red Lions umiscore.
Sahonya gets the rebound. The Red Lions have blown this game wide open. 70-52. Sahonya. This is an offensive foul on Joe Celso.
Tinawagan.
Number 5, Joe Celso, his third person.
Pero ewan ko lang, siguro tinawagan. So,
Sean Valley.
Kasi
hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw.
ito muna yung step back ni Jimmy Reyes. That was a beauty. Pero ito, Joe Celso trying to shield the defense. May tulak ng konti.
Kalabugan na rin. Patapos na to.
Sean turns around and scoops it in.
Ayun na naman. Finger roll. Walang kamatayang finger roll. Diba?
10 puntos para kay Sean Umali.
Hindi na ka naman pwedeng bumulak ng pababa. Diba? Siyempre, normally, puro takas eh.
Crucial to, Coach, yung unang 5 minuto ng fourth quarter para sa Benilde as Etule goes for the catch and shoot. Tony Inot is back in the game. He paces his team with 15. Tony gets the whistle. 2 shots coming up. Right thing to do for Tony Inot.
Number 9, Brian Sahonya.
Attack the basket, create something for your team.
Michael Gonzalez for the Red Lions.
This is actually his first trip to the free throw line.
Ito talaga yung strength ng Benilde Blazers. Opa coming from a rebound. They attack. Tatahiin ni Tony Inot. Tapos their bigs will run off the fast break. They'll fill the lanes. They fill in the lanes. Tapos ayun na. Yan ang isa sa pinaka-strength ng Benilde Blazers.
1 out of 2 for Tony Inot.
Red Lions.
Coach, believe it or not, that was only the 7th and 8th free throw attempts for Benilde.
Yes, medyo talagang they need to attack more. Yes.
Gonzalez, difficult take. Inot with a strong rebound. Kahukom, Reyes, aggressive. Jomel, naghihintay. By the way, no Jomel Puno as well for the Red Lions today. You know, he's not playing. Umali with a short hook. Wala. Etule pulls it down. Zedetule. Jimmy Reyes running into Tony Inot. 13 on the 24. They flip it out back to Jimmy. He pulls the trigger. Offline.
Yun ang hustle, galing kay Tule.
Offensive rebound. Siya na rin yung umatake. Di lang pumasok. And Tony snatches the board. Inot.
Good foul coming from Reyes. It's a duty foul. Very smart foul yun. Especially pag ganyang Roman Rally. Itong Benilde Blazers. You need that type of foul.
Okay, pasa natin sa ating courtside reporter for a fourth quarter report. Aaron D, go ahead.
Heading into this fourth quarter, the San Beda Red Lions are on a big-time lead. And that was because of them blowing the game wide open in that third quarter. Nakausap ko naman si Assistant Coach Francis Cruz of the San Beda Red Lions, and I asked him if there's anything they need to improve. Ang sagot naman niya is it's their killer instinct. We have to treat this game as it's 0-0. We cannot afford to let this Benil team get back on a run. They are a well-oiled machine and we can't get complacent. And the most surprising thing about San Beda blowing this game wide open in that third quarter, well, it was John T. Miller, 2 out of 14 from the field. He was on the bench during that run and isn't having the best of games today. This just shows the versatility of this San Beda team. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Coach Jerry.
As you were reporting that, Aaron, Benil makes a mini run. Inot is now up to 18 points. The lead is down to 11. We'll talk about the report on the other side of this break. Welcome back to the coverage. Benil showing signs of life here in the fourth quarter. Sean Umali off the turn. And then Josh Kahukom nag-ambag din. And they get another basket off a steal. Tony Inot completing the fast break. Kakasabi lang ni Aaron kanina. According to the coaching staff of the San Beda Red Lions coach, they cannot put their foot off the gas pedal. They have to keep going. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, medyo umangat ng konti yung paa. Ginamit yan ng Benil Blazers to their advantage.
Yes, oo. Merong mga kailangan ipalit mo na rin yung mga usual players mo na nagpahabol. Like sila Estacio, Andrada, Sahonia. Kaya yan na pinuntahan nila Coach si Yuri.
Another steal for Benil. Ancheta will score.
Walang takot yun. Tinira niya sa harap ni Andrada. Pero in fairness, other than that, solid yung pick and roll defense ng Benil Blazers dito sa taas.
It's down to a single-digit lead. That's a foul on Sean Umali.
Pushing foul, number 20.
That's the first team foul on Benil. Gaspay getting active on the other side. And Jomel Ancheta, that's the wise move on the break against a taller defender in front of you.
Yes, ang ganda ng pagkakanudge niya doon kay Andrada. Tapos with a control, pag-pull up niya, nandun pa rin yung elevation, nandun pa rin yung release.
70-61. Gonzalez sends it out. Sahonia, who has been hot in this second half, clobbered, and Benil forces the turnover.
Yun, sinesenyas ni Coach Yuri, pasa mo na. You know, it took him 2-3 dribbles. Double ka na, release mo na sa open guy. Nandun naman si Estacio sa tabi mo.
Walang napuntahan doon si Brian Sahonia. So, this will give Benil a chance. They've outscored the Red Lions 9-2 so far, and this is their run. 9-0 in almost 4 minutes for Benil. That's why I said earlier, the first 5 minutes of the fourth quarter will be important for their comeback. And they continue to pound on the Red Lions. 11-0 run now for Benil.
Yes, pina-atake na rin ng Coach Charles. Si Andrada, on post. Nakita nila, mayroong problema si Andrada sa post. So, pina-atake nila.
How will San Beda counter this run? It is with Benny Estacio. He pulls the trigger. Too strong at Tule with the offensive rebounds. Sahonia missing badly. And Inot gets the rebound. Here comes Tony.
Yun, may halong gigil yun.
This is the dry spell experience right now, coached by San Beda. In the last 4.5 minutes, they haven't made the field goal. Big Sean, a foul on the floor. And coach, ang kagandahan para sa Benil, isa na lang, penalty na San Beda.
Yes, good move. Galing sa Benil. Kasi pinoposter na, it's very effective. Nakita nila si Sean, hindi nila ma-stop. Kanina pa yan.
Joe Celso coming in for the Red Lions.
So talagang babakahin nila yan. Sasamanta nila hanggat hindi na napipigilan.
China-challenge na si Andrada, no?
Yes, oo. Yun naman yun eh. Hindi naman kami pwedeng kami lang mamumblema. Sila, sabi nila, Coach Charles, siguro atakin nyo rin para magka-problema.
Ito si Sean against Celso this time. Short stab is good for Sean Umali. make that a 13-0 avalanche for Benilde.
Wala kahit si Celso. Hindi na rin siya na-intimidate kay Celso. Inatake niya na.
It's a 5-point game. Miller! No! Jonty is now 2 out of 15 from the field. 13-0 run. And the Blazers have a chance to cut the lead down to a single possession. Ancheta. Enoch with 7 on the 24. Tony for 3. No. Would have brought the house down for Benilde. Instead, it's Betis basketball.
Execution is the name of the game, Mark.
Jonty, spray, swing. Then to shoot for the red shirts. Gonzalez. Sahonia, bottoms!
Brian Sahonia.
Fire extinguisher from Brian Sahonia.
Hindi na siya nag-motor doon. Hindi niya focus na siya, focus. Last ilang minutes lang, 3 minutes and 26 seconds.
Balik sa ating laban. It was a 13-0 run mounted by the Benilde Blazers. This is their most recent basket from Sean Umali, but Brian Sahonia ending that avalanche with this fire extinguisher from the outside.
Good read, galing kay Nigel Gonzalez. Makita mo talaga pag matagal na kayo makakasama no? Oo. Alam mo, sino tumatama, sino minamalas.
And it seems like Sahonia likes playing against Benilde, coach.
Yes,
Kasi 16 puntos siya, unang laban nila
Yes, may history yan
So, instead of an inch closer for Benilde, they're now down by 8. Sean, it's the same game plan. Sean Umali continues to have his way.
Grabe mga move na yan. Oo. Parang low post basketball clinic.
Old school big man move from Sean. Miller missing at the rim again.
Medyo masikip ang ring para kay Ajante Miller. Inaabangan din talaga siya. Lahat ng drive niya going to the left. Inaabangan ng Benilde Blazers.
2 out of 16 from the field is Jonty. Sean. Kahukom. Kahukom scoops. Rebound goes to Celso. Here come the Red Lions. Gonzalez versus Ancheta on top. Nigel gets it back. Handoff. A foul as the shot clock was winding down.
His first 2 on the bases.
That's gotta hurt for Benilde as we see this move. Sean Umali
seconds on the shot.
up and under on Joe Celso. But again, ito yung foul ni Josh Kahukom. Two and 16 left. Gonzalez. Sahonia. Late clock again. Brian. No. Ancheta with the basketball. The final 2 minutes. Joel puts it up and in to make it a 4-point game.
Ayan. Grabe rin yung speed nito ni Ancheta. From a turnover. Nakita niya, they have the advantage.
Pressure cooker time. Ooh, foul on Sean. Sabi ni Sean, bola daw. Pero tinawagan ng foul. Joel Ancheta. Many times in season 100, he has come up clutch for Benilde. Sean Umali, double plakay for Benilde, coach. 5 fouls.
2 free throws for.
So he fouls out with 16 points. But coach, siya yung nagsimula ng run ng Benilde dito sa ating 4th quarter. No problem on the first for Eugen.
Grabe yun. Talagang yun ang focal point ng atake talaga ng Benil Blazers, yung post eh.
Yeah.
Talagang he made so many things happen doon sa kapoposte niya. But again, talagang it's time na rin sa iba para mag-deliver.
This is far from over though. Lucan missing the second. Sanchez drives. No. Foul on the floor and 2 shots coming up here for Justin Sanchez. Because Anveda is already in the penalty. (74-69). Sanchez today, it has been a struggle for him. So he wants to make up for it at the free throw line. 6 na puntos para kay Justin Sanchez.
Makita mo siya, Justin Sanchez, kahit matagal siyang hindi pinasok, naglaro, makita mo yung kumpiyansa niya. Alam niya, it's penalty. He has the advantage, he has the foot speed, ayan ang resulta.
Oh, Enot was waiting, although he missed it. Ball will be tapped out. Folks, we have a 4-point game. Could be another wild finish in NCAA Season 101. Sanchez thought about the 3. They spray. 3-pointer off. Sanchez gets it back. Ancheta outside. Jomel. Tony closely guarded. 4 to shoot. Enot. Extra pass. Gaspay. Kaboom! Jake Gaspay with a big-time hit to make it a 1-point game.
Yan, nakakagulat. Para itira ni Gaspay yun, pero wala nang choice eh. Smart move para kay Gaspay.
First basket for Jake Gaspay, and what a time for it to come. San Beda has the basketball. Sahonia for 3. Got it!
Brian Sahonia.
What an answer from Brian Sahonia. 21 points for him. Benilde needs to move quickly. Tony for 3. Yes! A bucket for a bucket for a bucket inside the final minute.
Mahaba pa to. Bart.
And Gaspay gives up the foul.
Medyo nagpalabas na si Tony Enot. Nakita natin, nagka-cramp sa rin.
How about this, Jake Gaspay?
Rafi Salas.
Kumpiyansa yung 3 coach.
For the Blazers.
Palitan ng 3 sa magkabilang panig. Brian Sahonia with confidence here. Nakadikit sa kanya si Ancheta doon.
16
Didn't matter.
seconds on the shot.
Wala na, nakabuelo na masyado si Brian Sahonia.
And then Tony Enot pulling the trigger for his 4th triple of the game. 1-point contest in the final 19.2 seconds. Sahonia. And Kahukom gives up the foul. Benilde is already in the penalty. Coach did not like it.
Yes, kita kay Coach Charles. Bad pumaul. Pwede honest defense na lang, no?
So they'll give 2 shots to Brian Sahonia, who has gone 5 out of 6 from the free throw line today. In the season, he is a 71.4% free throw shooter. Connects on the first.
Talagang it's his day. Sahonia hanggang from start to end. 3 points, 2-pointer, precision. Lahat na, nagawa niya. Pero with the help, of course, ng mga like the likes of Andrada, Nigel.
Pero coach, kahit anong mangyari, pagbalik sa Benilde, 1 possession game. Second one. Ooh, too strong. It's a 2-point game. Who secures the ball? Jump ball.
Jump ball.
Oh!
Possession for
It stays with San Beda.
It's a big break. Para sa San Beda yan.
Wow! Look at this. Sahonia missed it. Sanchez could not secure it. Good hustle from Zed Itule,
Itule,
coach.
oo. Lumusot yung kamay ni Itule sa middle, oh. Nag-grab niya. Hindi nakita ni Justin Sanchez yun.
Okay, break muna tayo. 12.7 remaining. And they will have the basketball, coach.
Yes. All they need is to execute a side inbound or a baseline inbound. Isang magandang execution. I think the ball game is theirs.
Benilde, we expect them, if they don't get the steal, we expect a quick foul
Yeah.
by the Benilde Blazers.
Or kahit tabla lang, kahit matabla lang ng Benilde Blazers. Kahit matabla lang nila.
Ito si Nigel Gonzalez ang magpapasok ng bola para sa San Beda.
Medyo nakaload na ng 3 gwardya. Itong team ng Red Lions. Pero mahahaba itong Benilde Blazers for deflection. And magagaling sila mag-jump to the ball.
Oh, knockout play! Sahonya missed! Scramble! Oh, Jonty gets it! Benilde needs to foul, and they do! So that's been the story of these final sequences, coach. Benilde just unable to get the rebound. Brian Sahonya missed it right there, but Jonty Miller got a crucial offensive rebound.
Oo. Talagang si Coach ano na rin, sumaysenyas eh. Si Coach Yuri, sabi niya, hold on to the ball. Kanina, yung ewan ko kung kailangan pa ba itira ni Sahonya yon. Medyo ang lalaki na nun eh.
Jonty Miller showing composure at the free throw line. 75% free throw shooter today. He has 5 out of 7. Perfect on this trip. 6 seconds to go. Timeout on the floor. Balik sa ating laban. It is 80-76 with 6 seconds remaining in our featured game today. Red Lions versus the Blazers. San Beda in front. And they're 6 seconds away from taking the #1 spot in Group B.
Yes, ang laking grabe itong game na to. Talagang hindi up to hanggang dito sa dulo, hindi mo pa ma-predict kung sino mananalo. Because walang gustong magpatalo eh.
Coach, a quick 3 from Benilde will change the complexion. But they need to do it quickly though, like within a few seconds.
Yes, I'm sure meron silang mga quick plays dito.
Torres will be the trigger guy. They go to Enot for 3. Not that time. 7/10 of a second remaining. And the Red Lions will sweep the Benilde Blazers in the classification round. They survive a fourth quarter onslaught from Benilde to take a 4-point win, 80-76.
What a way to check their skid. Talagang dumaan sila itong Red Lions sa butas ng karayo para nila talunin itong Benilde Blazers.
And how big was this guy? Brian Sahonya with 22 points. He is our best player of the game, 6 out of 10. And he was the one answering, you know, that run of Benilde in the fourth quarter, coming up with crucial baskets to keep the game close.
Yes, ang laking, it's a big challenge para kay Brian Sahonya. Other than his scoring, grabe din ang mga dinaanan niya ng mga players like sila Kahukom,